This is Montra Maddrock, not just a simple Maddrock, but it is an extremely upgraded Montra Maddrock.
Lights stay flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Sure you want to enter, you can turn back now. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. You love me.
The heart of this bike is Montra Maddrock 2060 frame. This frame has a wheel size of 26 and the frame size is 18.5. The material of the frame is aluminum alloy. Now let's start with the coolest thing in this bike. That is the hub from NS Bikes. This is a sealed bearing hub and you are not gonna find this hub in India anymore. At the rear of this bike, there is a Dartmoor Fortress rim. Now this rim is paired with the Maxxis Holy Roller tires. The crankset on this bike is from SRAM. The front hub is from Novatech and again this is a sealed bearing hub. The model of the hub is DO41 SBT. This is a quite good hub and gives you fast rolling. Now front wheel has a spank rim paired again with Maxxis Holy Rollers. The shifters in this bike are from SRAM. These are SRAM X9. The handle used here is Wacom. This was initially a 780 mm handlebar, but it has been cut down to 750 mm. This is done according to the rider's comfort. And because of this handlebar, you can look how nice the cockpit looks. Now here the crank used is from SRAM. I have told you this earlier, but this has a 30 teeth chainring. And I don't know the bottom bracket used here, but this bottom bracket is quite smooth. The front derailleur is a basic Shimano, but the rear derailleur is Shimano Dior XT. Now this derailleur has an impressive chain tension and gives you precise and crisp shifting. The chainstay of this bike is Shimano XTR. Obviously this is a local chainstay. The cassette used here is a SRAM 10-speed cassette with the ratio of 30:11. The seat post is from Promax and the seat here is from Between. This is a quite comfortable seat and suitable for long rides. The coolest part of this bike is this brake. This is Shimano Z. It is a 4-piston brake with a 180 mm rotor from Shimano. And now let's talk about the front brakes. These are Shimano Dior XT 2-piston brake. The front rotor is a SRAM centerline to provide you smooth plus precise braking. Till where I know, the front rotor is SRAM centerline 180 mm and the rear rotor is a rotor from AliExpress and this is also a 180 mm rotor. Now let's talk about the suspension fork. The suspension fork is a RockShox TK30. This is the air fork and has a travel of 100 mm. This also comes with compression lockout, or popularly known as hydraulic lockout. I'm not sure about this air fork, but this works quite well and has a smooth finish on it. So now I'm gonna hop on the bike and give you the riding experience. After riding the bike for 20 seconds, I started feeling the smoothness on this bike. Because of the sealed bearing hubs, the bike was too smooth and had fast rolling. This was initially because of Novatech and the rear hub from NS bikes. The brakes on the bike were too good and I wasn't able to control the bike during my ride. This was because I had been using Shimano MT200 brakes for a long time, and these brakes are 4 to 5 times powerful than MT200. There is not much to say about the fork. The fork was quite good and gave me a smooth ride on the roads and even on slight off-roading. I am saying this because this is a budget fork from RockShox. The fork cost you around 15 to 17,000 Indian rupees. And this was in the video. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like and get subscribed to our channel for more awesome cycling related contents. Thanks for watching this video.